Guys, this is how real chips masala is made in Kenya. Watch and don't forget to subscribe. Don't just eat fries. Turn them into a flavor bomb. Guess what? We made chip yesterday and I'm wondering how to warm them up. So the first thing you need to do is start with red onions. Cut thin slices or small pieces so that they can be caramelized into some magic. Cut the slices, put them into a pan, put in some little oil because remember the chips had oil. So fry the onions and put them in a wide pan so that you can spread in your chips. See how it looks. And guys, please subscribe as you're watching this. Follow the channel so that you can be doing a lot of homemade food as you watch my other videos. So let the onions cook. Allow them to cook until they're a bit brown. Add in some garlic. Crush in some garlic and you add in. So I've already done the crushing. So you add in some garlic so that it can give it some lovely flavor. So there is the garlic and the smell is amazing. So rough in your garlic into your mixture of fried onions. So keep stirring. The smell is amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you're doing this with me so that you can be able to make amazing chips masala. So fry in the garlic and the onions, crush them in so that they can cook. So once you have that, you have to get tomatoes. But what do? Remove the cap of the tomatoes, crush the tomatoes. So I had frozen tomatoes, I've crushed them into a tomato paste and I'm adding them in the mixture. These tomatoes, fresh tomatoes that are frozen or boiled so that you remove the skin, will make it amazing. So let them melt into a juicy base. So keep turning, keep frying. You see why I said you need a wide pan so that you can crush in everything in an easy manner. So keep crushing in the tomatoes that I've made. I put in 4 tomatoes. I put in a very big onion and 4 tomatoes, but you can adjust according to your taste so that we have a very nice mixture. Add in tomato paste. Tomato paste is important if you have it. This will make it have a flavor and it will make that flavor kick in. So add the tomato paste. That's what I'm doing so that you can be able to mix in to make it more yummy. But if you don't have tomato paste, don't worry. You can do the tomatoes. So mix in the tomato paste. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So as we are doing this, we need to spice it up. We need to add spices. I have black pepper. So crush in the black pepper. The chili taste gives it an amazing feel. So do in the black pepper. So there I am crushing it into the mixture as it cooks. And I'm getting ready. Guys, don't miss this step of putting in the spices because this is what makes the masala, the chips masala. There we have paprika. Put in some paprika to your taste to make it yummy. And any other spice that you have that you want to put. So I've added in more spices. I have quite a selection of spices in my kitchen so that at least you're able to have that amazing, amazing taste. So please don't skip this step. So remember, we're using chips that had been cooked last evening or maybe earlier on. You can fry them now or later, but the thing is, put them in the microwave, warm them up, because remember, you're not going to put them in the pot for now. While you're doing that, add some tomato sauce or ketchup. So I'm adding in some tomato sauce so that I make it so yummy. Don't miss that stage of putting in the tomato sauce. Keep stirring. Guys, our sauce is on point. Now toss in your fries. Yes, that's the secret. Let them soak in the masala sauce. So you can do the stirring. If you have a coriander or dhania, mix in. But in my kitchen, I didn't have. But I would recommend you do that. And actually, when they're raw, it would be amazing. That would garnish the food. And boom, we have chips masala. I have made my chips masala like a true street chef. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you do this at home. It's up to you if you want to share this or, eat with the family. For me, this is enough for me and my sons, and we are ready to enjoy this. Boom, guys. We have our chips masala ready. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my videos. I do a lot of home cooking. Check out my videos for more. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Until next time.